This is Lexus, delivering a compact car without sacrificing quality. The 2027 LBX isn't just a small crossover, it's a statement about how luxury can be redefined for urban mobility. Let's start with the front. The front immediately reveals that this is a new generation Lexus. The traditional spindle grille has evolved. Instead of the large, dramatic hourglass shape we're used to, the LBX features a more integrated grille design. This grille blends seamlessly into the bumper, giving the front a cleaner, more aerodynamic look. The mesh pattern within the grille looks technical and premium, not overly aggressive but still sporty. Lower intake openings add visual width, giving this compact SUV a solid and confident feel. Now look at the headlights, sleek, sharp LED units with precise daytime running light signatures. Turning to the side, this is where proportion really matters in a compact SUV, and Lexus has nailed it. The LBX has a slightly coupe-inspired roofline that slopes gently downwards towards the rear. This doesn't sacrifice practicality, but adds a sporty feel. The contrasting black roof creates a floating roof effect, visually lowering the car and making it look more dynamic. Strong character lines stretch from the front fenders to the doors, providing tension and movement even when parked. The wheel design is bold, multi-spoke alloy wheels with a machined finish that enhance the premium appeal. Now to the rear, and this is perhaps the most striking angle. Full-width LED taillights dominate the rear, creating a modern and high-tech signature. Lexus has perfected this design language, and here it looks perfectly proportioned for the LBX's size. The taillights have a sharp, angular design that mirrors the headlights, creating cohesion. The rear bumper features a clean, lower diffuser-style element, giving a sporty impression without fake exhaust tips distracting from the design. Climb inside, and this is where the 2027 LBX truly impresses. The cabin design is minimalist yet futuristic. You immediately notice the wide digital display that stretches across the dashboard. The instrument cluster flows seamlessly into the infotainment screen, creating a unified digital environment. The interface appears driver-focused, angled slightly toward the driver to create a cockpit-like feel. The materials appear soft and premium, with contrasting stitching and subtle ambient lighting stretching across the dashboard. The center console has a clean, almost floating design. There's a rotary-style controller and a secondary touchscreen integrated below, presumably for climate and driving settings. The white interior theme creates a spacious and luxurious feel, enhanced by geometric patterned floor mats and subtle blue accent lighting. Under the hood, the 2027 Lexus LBX is likely powered by an advanced hybrid system. 1.5-liter or 2.0-liter hybrid engine, smooth eCVT transmission, all-wheel drive option with rear electric motor, high fuel efficiency aimed at city driving. Given Lexus's expertise in hybrid technology, the driving experience should focus on smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and excellent efficiency, rather than exceptional performance. However, with its compact size and sturdy chassis, this car should feel agile and responsive in city driving. The 2027 Lexus LBX proves that luxury is no longer about size. It may be compact, but its design is bold, its interior feels futuristic, and its hybrid efficiency makes it perfectly suited for modern urban living. It's a smart evolution of what premium mobility should look like in 2027. You get signature Lexus refinement, cutting-edge digital integration, striking wide-body taillights, and a cabin that feels like a high-tech lounge, all in a city-friendly size. Now, I want to hear your thoughts. Would you choose the 2027 Lexus LBX over other compact luxury SUVs? Is it the perfect urban Lexus, or do you wish for more power and performance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next in-depth automotive review. See you in the next review.